Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog, Filipino and Chinese family in the UK. Tara, samahan nyo kami ngayong araw dahil andito tayo sa Peppa Pig World! Second birthday ngayon ni Alea, and as you can see, she's starting to enjoy and meet Peppa Pig ngayong araw. So, nahanap niya si three little pigs, and as you can see, she's enjoying the view. Paikot-ikot ang mga ducks. And also, nag-start kami riding the sailing ride, which is this one. So, ayan si Aliyah. She's enjoyed the first ride of Peppa Pig sailing ride. And as you can see, ang dami niyang nakikita at turo siya ng turo. Nakita niya yung mga friends ni Peppa Pig. And some of them, she could recognize it. Kaya tuwang-tuwa naman ako. Katulad nitong dinosaur ride na ito. Nagpunta rin kami dito sa Daddy Pig's ride car. And we really enjoyed it. Meron pa nga kaming picture dyan guys eh. So, minsan may mga cameras and don't forget to smile. And ito naman ay ang Grandpa Pig train ride. Ito, very relaxed lang and twice umikot yung train. And of course, si Aliyah, kahit pumipila kami, walang problem. She enjoyed waiting and she enjoyed all the rides. Same as when we went to this helicopter ride and she really loved it. Hindi siya natakot, guys. Ako dito sa balloon ride na ito, hilong-hilo ako, pero si Aliyah, ayan, tingnan nyo, nagbababay pa siya. She really loved the rides. And I know we're coming back to Peppa Pig World because gustong-gusto niya si Peppa. Nakakita din kami ng penguin and marami ding animals dito, not just rides. So, pumunta kami sa muddy puddle area dahil sobrang init ngayon. And nag-enjoy si Aliyah playing with water and playing with other kids. So as today, very beautiful ang pangyayari and nag-enjoy talaga kami. So worth it talaga pumunta dito sa Peppa Pig World dahil nag-enjoy ang ating birthday girl. Ayan. So for sure, we are gonna come back and enjoy the rides again. And thank you sa pagsama sa amin ngayong araw, guys. And hope you enjoyed our mini vlog for today. See ya!